Hey guys, Mike back here with you. Want to talk about set collars today. Set collar lives right there on the back of the seamer. This is what connects your rear seamer shaft with the right angle gearbox, which in turn will drive this belt, which turns your seamer screw. So I want to just do a deep dive on this today. This is your set collar. Takes a 5/32 Allen wrench. Don't use a 4mm or you will strip those bolts. Going through this is a two-piece half moon collar, and as you can see, with it closed all the way like that, not a circle. However, once it's connected to a couple of shafts and you've got a little bit of tolerance in those bolts, you've got a complete circle. Very important to take note of this gap here on each side of the collar as it's getting locked down to get that perfect circle. If you're proud to one side, not going to get a perfect circle. You're going to have one of these two shafts slipping on you all day, and you're going to lose out on your timing, and you'll have to reset that. Last thing I want to mention is tightening down those bolts. Now, to get a nice even tightening, we're going to go in a shoelace pattern. So I'll go this one first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc., and so forth. And we don't want to tighten one bolt down at a time, so I'll get one turn off of one turn off of that second one, etc., and so forth. We'll get that nice even set, nice even lines in between the two pieces, and your timing should be locked in well.